Well, I've met quite a few people making these videos and interacted with quite a few of you. But there's one thing that you guys don't really know about me is every time I gotta do these videos, I get nervous. I don't wanna say anything that offends anybody, and I don't wanna have any kind of confrontation. I am a very, very antisocial person. I am the quintessential definition of antisocial. I don't even like being around crowds. When I'm at home, you can even ask any of my kids. Instead of sitting on the veranda or the front porch, I would rather sit in the backyard. I love sitting in the backyard. If you come to my house and you know I'm home and you ring the bell and nobody come to the door, guess where I am? In the back somewhere. What is your perspective on this? Where do you stand? Are you team front porch or are you somebody that would rather sit in the backyard and chill? Because I don't like the attention. You ain't finding me up front. Do me a favor, drop it in the comments and make me know. And as usual, from this antisocial person, one love.